number 7 is asking us to determine a formula for the total surface area of a cone that has a radius that's the same as the height. Let's start with a sketch of our cone. And we know that if this represents our height and this represents our radius, we know that h is equal to r. And we're finding the total surface area. So let me just remind you that total surface area represents the lateral area plus the base. And the lateral area is represented by pi r L, with the L representing the slant height. And then the base, of course, is a circle, so that gives us pi r squared, okay? So looks like it should be fairly straightforward, doesn't it? Except that this slant height, we don't know. We don't know what this slant height is right here. We know this is a right angle, so we're going to have to kind of delve into that a little bit. Notice that we can say this is a right triangle, so the slant height is actually going to be the hypotenuse. So off to the side here, let's take r squared plus r squared, and I'm getting that from this leg and this leg, and I'm trying to find this L, all right, the slant height squared. So if I add my like terms together, I get 2r squared equals L squared. So the value of L is going to be the square root of these two, which is equal to L equals the square root of 2, and then r comes out from under the radical because the square root of a squared value is just that value itself. So where the L is here, now we can substitute this value. So we know that pi is equal to pi. We have r here, and then we get the square root of 2r, okay, plus pi r squared. If we simplify it a little further, we get pi r squared, that's by multiplying these two, and then the square root of 2. Okay, so my order here is not good, but we'll fix that here in a minute. Notice that we have a pi r squared and a pi r squared. So let's just factor pi r squared out. If we do that, we're left with the square root of 2 plus factoring pi r squared out of that leaves us with 1. So that is an expression for the total surface area. Okay? I hope that all made sense. Just some basic algebra there.